Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna do an abstract design. So now I'm gonna start with the color A Touch of Glass. Now I'm going to apply Serious Black. I'm gonna go back with the pearly A Touch of Glass for the thumbs and the index finger. And put it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply my second coat on each finger to make the color really opaque. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna use the Acrygel is Clear Dear to fix all the bling on the pinky. I use with the gel residue wipe off solution to press the product. Now I'm gonna apply the top coat. I'm gonna take the crystal and place them near the cuticle area. And put it in lamp for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of top coat Urban Graffiti. And place it to the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use the chrome and the chrome pigment. I choose the bronze and the copper color, and I'm gonna rub the product and mix the both color together. Now I'm gonna do my design on the middle finger. So I use the color A Touch of Glass. I put it in a palette, and with a detailing brush, I'm gonna draw some small square. We are going to do a flash cure. I'm gonna connect the square between them. And flash cure. Now I'm going to use Serious Black and draw a line in each square. Now I'm going to top coat all of my nails and put it in a lamp for 60 seconds, and I will apply more pigment on the index finger. So now I'm gonna apply my pigment on the index finger. As you see, it's there is a difference between the index and the ring finger, because I don't use the same color for the base. I use a black color for the ring finger and the pink color for the index. That's why the pigments show a different color. And now I'm going to seal the design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. To finish the design, I'm going to put some cuticle oil and give a massage. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. You can choose to do just one or two designs or a full complete look as you want. I hope you like the video. All the products are in the description box. Until next time, au revoir!